I'm just about to reveal to you an amazing strategy which you can use to start promoting your CPA marketing offers, and in doing so, you may begin to start earning passive income with CPA marketing right here in the year 2023 and beyond, because this strategy which I'm about to reveal to you right now is a beginner's friendly strategy, also a 100% free strategy, meaning that the beginner can actually grab hold of this particular strategy and start promoting the CPA marketing offer and earn passive income for absolutely free on such platforms right here. So you can actually take advantage of this video, watch to the end, and actually make use of the strategy which you do learn right here to actually replicate such and make some cool cash doing so. So with that being said, let's just simply cut right to the chase. So first of all, guys, you want to use a CPA marketing platform to go on to getting CPA marketing offers right there. You could use the CPA build or the CPA grip. If I'm using the CPA build right here, I'm just going to go on to logging into my account. As you can see right now, if I do click on offers and all offers, I'll be taken to a page where I can actually go on to getting offers which I want to just simply go on to promoting. And guys, you can actually see right now on CPA build, these are actually a lot of offers right here which I can actually start promoting right here. The offers are quite numerous. You can actually see that these offers are for various countries. This one right here is for Switzerland. This one is for Germany. This offer right here is for the United States. This one right here also for the Switzerland. This looks like Slovenia, and you can actually keep scrolling through and you'll be able to see a lot of offers for various countries all around the world. So what you want to do right now is that you want to just simply target a specific country where you want to promote your offers to right now. Maybe if I want to promote my offers to the United States, I'm just going to come right here and go on to typing in United States. And if I do type in United States and do click on search, I'll be shown offers available to that demographic only. And right here you can see all these offers available to only that particular demographic, and I can just simply go into selecting a particular offer which I want to just simply use to start promoting right now. You can see right now most of these offers are actually sweepstake offer or giveaway offers right now. You want to select as many giveaways offer as you can. Maybe if I do select this particular offer, I'll be shown more details about this offer, and I can actually get my unique affiliate link for this offer by clicking on get link. Here's the link right here which I can use to promote this offer. So basically what you want to do right now is to copy that link and head on to this platform right here which is called the Linktree, and it's called the linktr.ee. This is a cool platform where you can actually use a single link to represent multiple links. As you can see right here, it says everything you are in one simple link in the bio of your account right here. As you can see right here, you could create and customize your link tree in minutes. You can actually guests to share your link tree from your Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and other bios right here. You can analyze and keep your audience and keep your followers engaged. And this particular platform do have a lot of features. All you actually have to do is to come right here, put in the username which you want to use for your account, and just simply click on claim your link tree. And your account should be created almost immediately. Then you can just simply go on to logging into your account and start promoting multiple CPA marketing offers. So guys, just check out my link tree right here. As you can see, these are actually multiple CPA marketing offers right here which you can actually see, and I'm promoting them to the United States residents right here. You can see this one right here is to actually install and earn with the Misplay app. This one right here is to actually download or to get a $750 cash to travel now. This is for $100 Robux gift card right now, and you can just simply go to add in your own right here. I just simply click on add link, putting the link right here, or before you put in that link, just shorten it on this particular platform called tinyurl.com. Once you do shorten the link, copy the shortened link and actually head back to Linktree and paste that link in this URL section. Why I asked you to shorten it is because sometimes it may actually show you that URL is actually an unsafe URL if you don't shorten it right there. So if you do shorten it, you can then just simply go on to editing the title, and you could just simply go on to promoting that, add as many CPA marketing offers of your choice, and actually start promoting that on that platform. If you're using the CPA grip, once you do log into your account and be drawn through a dashboard, just simply click on offer tools and click on my offers. And right here guys, you can see that these are actually numerous offers which you can just simply go on to selecting. You could filter based on country via this section, select the country of your choice, and you'll be shown offers available to that country. You can just simply select a lot of sweepstake offers, and this particular platform do have them a lot right here. Select such sweepstake offers and actually go on to adding that on your link tree in this particular section. Click on share, and you can then just simply copy your link tree link to start promoting that. And how do you promote that, guys? You want to take advantage of this cool platform right here, which is the giveawayfrenzy.com. So this amazing platform right now called giveawayfrenzy.com. So this is a platform that actually specializes with a lot of giveaway offers. As you can see the name, Giveaway Frenzy. And right here, guys, you could see that you do have the home section where you could see a lot of giveaway offers right here. You could see this one, you can actually go on to winning about $120 watch and a trip to Miami. And you can actually see a lot of other offers right here on this particular platform. You could just simply go on to check in on the latest giveaways or the giveaways right here. You could also go on to check in about the sweepstake offers right here, which you can actually take advantage of, apply, and you stand a chance of winning such particular offers right now. So basically what you want to do is that you want to just simply register for this platform and actually go on to submitting your giveaway on this particular platform. As you can see, you could just simply come right here, click on submit giveaway, and if you do click on submit giveaway, guys, you can then simply go on to submitting your giveaway on this platform right here for absolutely free. But guys, you do actually have to pay a little amount. Maybe if you do want your giveaway to be among the top page or the top offers right there, you might just simply pay maybe about $5 to $10 for that to actually be available. And if you do that, guys, you'll be able to start getting a lot and lots of traffic to this particular sweepstake offer or giveaway offers which you do have right there. And the cool thing about this platform is that this platform do get a lot of traffic. If you do analyze that on the similar web, you can see right here this platform actually did get about 20,000 visits in the last 28 days, which means that a lot of people are going to that platform to actually check out for some giveaway offers and actually do complete that. And you could actually see the top countries that do visit this website. United States right here do have about 72% of this website traffic, while Germany has 7, Egypt 4, India 3, and Morocco 2 right there. So you could see right now that it's actually very necessary that you go on to promoting offers to the United States right here, because you do have a higher chances or higher probability of actually getting conversions to your CPA marketing offers from those demographic right there. So you could also use this platform. Make sure you do use this platform right now and start promoting your CPA marketing offers. You could also take advantage of this other platform right here called the exoclick.com. This is an amazing online platform which you can actually do take advantage of and start promoting your CPA marketing offers. But the thing about this is that this is actually a paid platform. So if you want to actually run a paid ad, you can take advantage of this platform right here called the exoclick.com. And guys, this is an ad platform which actually monetizes at scale. You could advertise and you could also publish on this platform. As you could see, guys, you could actually do email marketing, members area, and programmatic stuffs right here on this particular platform. And you want to just simply take advantage of this. Sign up to this platform, which is actually an absolutely free on this platform. Then go on to publishing your ad or promoting your CPA marketing offer using this platform. As you can see right here, they do have some cool and amazing ad formats, because if you do click on ad format, you'll be taken to the page where you can actually see more details about the ad formats. They do have the push notification, the native notification or the native ad, the interestial ad, email marketing. You could actually do the video ad, the pop under ad, the banners, the direct, and the IM, and a lot more other stuff right here. So just simply take advantage of all these platforms and actually do start promoting your CPA marketing offers, and in doing so, you'll be able to make some passive income right now. And I hope this video has actually been of help to you. If yes, simply go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.